Building Customer Relationships, Part A. Relationship Marketing. There has been a shift from transaction-oriented marketing to relationship-oriented marketing. Customers become partners, and the firm must make long-term commitments to maintaining these relationships with quality, service, and innovation. Goals of relationship marketing. A relationship marketing program tries to build and maintain a base of committed customers who are profitable for the organization. To attain this goal, a firm will focus on attraction, retention, and enhancement of customer relationships. If customers are convinced that the company will try to understand their needs and respond to them, they are less likely to be pulled away by competitors. And finally, loyal customers are likely to buy more products and services from the company over time. Benefits for customers. Customers will remain loyal to a firm when they feel that they will derive greater value by remaining with the company compared to competitors. Customers sometimes value relationship benefits and remain loyal to a firm for the relationship as much as for the core attributes of the service. Confidence benefits. These benefits comprise feelings of trust and confidence in the provider, along with a sense of reduced anxiety and comfort in knowing what to expect. Social benefits. Customers strike up a social relationship with people providing a service, such as the neighborhood hairstylist, grocer, and pharmacist. Special treatment benefits. Long-term customers get preferential treatment in terms of additional attention, a facility offered voluntarily or free, a good deal in price, useful advice, and the benefit of doubt in case of error in cost estimation or billing. Benefits for the organization. Research shows that in the long run, relationship-oriented business-to-business service firms achieve higher overall returns on their investment compared to transaction-oriented firms. Customers tend to increase the size of purchases with a known vendor over time. A provider who is able to retain the customer is likely to see considerable growth in business. In case of a business customer, as confidence in a provider grows, the business buys more services and different types of services from the same provider. Relationship value of customers. The lifetime relationship value of a customer is influenced by the duration of the relationship or lifetime and revenues generated during the lifetime, less costs associated with serving the customer during the lifetime. Lifetime value can refer to lifetime revenue stream, or it may refer to lifetime profitability. The profitability of a few industrial segments was computed by estimating the net present value of profitability over the lifetime of the customer at current rates vis-a-vis the profitability based on net present value at 5% higher retention rates. The increase in profitability in the industries surveyed was dramatic. The increase in percentage profitability from a 5% increase in customer retention was as follows: advertising agencies 95%, bank branch deposits 85%, publishing 85%, auto or home insurance 84%, auto service 81%, credit cards 75%, industrial distribution 45%, computer software 35%. The chart below shows the profit impact of a 5% increase in retention rate in industries which include advertising, retail banking, publishing, auto service, insurance, credit cards, industrial distribution, and computer software. Retention of services will not happen unless the quality of core services is maintained at a very high level. A thorough means of monitoring and evaluating relationship quality over time is a foundation for relationship marketing. Current customers should be surveyed to determine their perception of value received, quality, satisfaction with services, and satisfaction with the provider. While monitoring relationships, the provider needs to know who their customers are, their buying behavior, the revenues they generate, related costs to serve them, who is leaving and why, and how each segment may be communicated to. The levels of relationship strategies are financial bonds, social bonds, customization bonds, and structural bonds. Level 1, financial bonds. The customer is tied with the firm through financial benefits such as lower prices for greater volume of purchase, frequent flyer programs, and so on. Level 2, social bonds. Providers develop social relationships with the client, forming social and interpersonal bonds. Level 3, customization bonds. Customer loyalty can be encouraged by intimate knowledge of customer requirements,